Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I wanted to share with you a few of my fall must-haves that you should be looking for when you're out shopping for your fall decor. Now, one of my first must-haves as you start your fall decorating are candles. It doesn't matter whether they are faux or real, some sort of fragrance to get you started and in the mood for fall is definitely a must. And I buy my candles anywhere from high end to low end. It just depends on my budget at the time. Now, another thing that I like to do when I pick up candles is pick up candles in a pretty container. Not only are they pretty and have a warm and inviting glow to them, but you can reuse them. Finish burning the candle, I like to put a tea light in. So another favorite that I like to look for are pillows and throws. And don't always feel like you have to look for a themed pillow to make it feel like fall. I like to look for pillows in warm colors such as beige, brown, and tans. And when it comes to throws, I like to look for throws that have texture like a fur, knit, or a velvet. And so just by adding in a few textures, darker colors, candles, and some warm colors, you have already started to bring in the feel of fall without bringing in themed decor. So my next items are stems and vases. Now you guys know I use a neutral color palette, and so instead of using my all white vases, I like to bring in vases with a little warm color to them, maybe in creams, tans, and browns, even golds. Now for the stems, I like to do the same thing. I like to bring in a warm hue on my stems. I like to put away my white flowers and bring out something with a warmer feel. And your color palette will determine the stem that you use. Some people like to use that darker color palette in deep browns, like I used in my dining room. And if you guys did not see that video, I'll link it below. We're on a good start to a moody vibe, so check that out. And so you want to bring in some bowl filler. You want to make sure you have some coffee table books. And a tip that I have on coffee table books that you can use for styling is to, if you have a Restoration Hardware nearby, go and pick up some of their books. And so these two books are from Restoration Hardware. They are their catalogs. I also picked up some of the newest catalogs. Even though it's fall, their newest catalogs are in a lighter color. And bowl filler is not just for a bowl. You can use them in a glass cylinder with a candle. Now, my absolute favorite thing that I've picked up for the fall season is this petrified wood slice. It is so beautiful, guys, and I love it to place a candle on top, or you can place a pumpkin on top. Anything that you feel that you want to display and just add a little texture to and beauty. And the detail in this piece and the coloring is just so beautiful. And it's not a fall piece, but I do like the colors, and it just adds that warmth to any of your fall decor. All right, guys, so that's it for this portion of the video. Now, please stay tuned because I want to share how I styled some of these items in a few vignettes around my home. And so here in my bedroom, nothing says inviting more than a tray full of some trinkets that you love to look at, magazine, and definitely a candle. And in case you're wondering, this is not a real candle. This is one of the battery operated little candles. But it has the flicker of a real candle and I love it. These are a little pricey, but I really like the glow that it gives off. That's what it looks like, nothing special. And it has several different modes, but I like the flickering mode the best. I don't have a link for that candle, but I will show you the box in case you want to do a screenshot and find something similar. Okay, so here's the box. You can take a screenshot of the box, and I did get it from Shields. So if you have a Shields in your area, you can go there and pick it up, but otherwise you might check Amazon. They have everything, and it was $20. And in my primary bath, I do like to bring in warm colors as well. And so I brought in some warm colored towels, not necessarily fall related, just warm colors that bring in that warm glow. And the candle that I'm burning is Autumn Cider from Target, and I mentioned it to you guys before, and it does smell really good. So if you guys have not picked it up by now, what are you waiting for? And when you're ready, you can bring in a beautiful pumpkin. And guys, all of these items came from HomeGoods, except the candle. Alright guys, so I have this everyday throw that I like to use often in my decor. And the beauty about this throw is that it is reversible. So it has the taupe color, and then there is, I guess you can call it a salmon or kind of a tan color. And I'm going to show you how I will warm this up for pre-fall, and then I'll show you how it will look in the fall season. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy seeing a few decorating ideas around my home for pre-fall as well as fall. I hope you guys were inspired, and if you are not a subscriber, I hope you were inspired enough to subscribe.